Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to show you a quick little gadget that I got. It is called, or it's made by the company Kiss. It's called the Power File and Nail Dryer, all-in-one nail care kit. And that's what this little guy is here. The top part, you have this little magnifying glass for doing detail work. But if you open the top, you have all these different detail work files over here. They're in like a medium and a hard grit, even a softer grit, as well as the disc. And then this is more of a little buffer right here. Now what goes here is the tool itself, and the little tips just pop in and out, just snap in. And right here we have two different speeds. We have low and then one that's a little faster. Of course, you have the little light here on to help you with your detail work. If you look at the other end, you'll see the place where you plug in the charger that comes with it. So you can charge it, or you can just plug it in and you don't have to wait till it actually charges. As long as it's plugged in, you would have the same power, and it stores right there for you. So everything is housed quite nicely, right? And then down at the bottom is where the dryer is, and on the side here you'll see the little button. You just give it a push, you'll hear it click, and the dryer is on. It's not a high fan, but for nails I'm sure it'll be fine. Very compact. It's just sleek. It's really nice. It's less than $20, or at least it was when I got it this week. I got mine at Walgreens, but I'm sure you could get it at Walmart or any other department store as well as online. So I did just want to show you that and talk about a couple of other things, because I've used the file and I was very happy with the way it works so quickly, because I'm no good with a manual file. So this was ideal for me. Now, something else as far as nails go that I did want to show you, since I was doing a video about nails, is I get this at the dollar store, but again, I'm sure you can get it anywhere. It's nail polish remover, and there is a sponge down inside with all these little slits, and so when you put your fingernail down in there and kind of move it around, that sponge will help remove the polish. Very neat little thing. And then when you start running low, just pour some more polish in. You'll know when the sponge starts wearing out, and then you can purchase another one. But that's really neat. I didn't know if you had ever tried it, and thought I would show you that as well. Now, I am going to try out the dryer today. However, I use Insta-Dry by Sally Hansen, and so it dries pretty quickly on its own anyway, but I just wanted to see, when the nail was wet with the polish on it, if I could feel the air any better than a dry nail going in, because it's not a hard blowing fan. So I'm going to go ahead and put fresh polish on this hand, and then we'll try that out. So I've got the wet polish on. Just going to slide my hand in. Okay, so they're dry, but again, I'm not the best judge at how much that really helped, because I use the Insta-Dry nail polish. So that's something you would want to decide on your own. But the kit overall is fantastic. I did notice I had laid out one other thing. It comes with a cuticle pusher. It lays right here, and I've used that. It's very nice as well. And one last thing I wanted to bring up regarding nails is ever since I started taking this, let me get that out of the way. Ever since I started taking these, I get them from Amazon. It's collagen types 1 and 3 with vitamin C, Doctor's Best brand. My nails are in such great shape. My whole life they have been thin. I could just bend them. I mean, they were very pliable and they would peel. So they were thin and peeling and just not in good shape at all. And I'm not one who wore a lot of false nails to where I would be damaging them. I wore false nails mostly if I was going out or something like that. Because when I type, I can't have long nails. So for this to be my own nails and that I'm actually having to trim them now is a testament to this. So if you have those issues, this is very reasonably priced. I would get a bottle and give them a try. I really like it. So anyway, guys, just wanted to share this little find with you because I like it so much. And with the price point, it would be a great little Christmas gift too. And I know that that season is coming very close. So just wanted to show it to you. And I will be back next week with another video. Oh, update on Dad. He is coming out of rehab this week. So that is fantastic. Good news on my end. So have a great week this week, guys. Bye.